Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you basically my fishing stuff that I like to use and how I like to use it. Alright, so I'm going on a big fishing trip tomorrow, and for bass, pike, muskie, just about anything, spinners work well, like Mepps, Blue Fox, stuff like brands like those. They really work well. Some like Senko's, like Yamamoto's, Big Bite Baits. Those work extremely well. Like Texas rigs, Wacky rigs. Those work really well. And if you're fishing for muskie and things, and pike, you're gonna want like a braided leader. It's like 50 pounds, or a steel leader. So yeah, and so that's about it for that box that I have. I have buzz baits in there and stuff. And jerk baits or plugs, you're gonna want a decent amount of those. Yo-Zuri is good, Rapala, anything like that. So yeah, we have like the Rapala ripstops, Guggen, that's pretty good too. So like topwater whopper ploppers. And if you're fishing for lake trout out in Canada or something, you don't want something deep diving like this and just troll it. So yeah, that's about it for that. And the more erratic you can make a jerkbait or a plug, the better. The more bites you're gonna get. So yeah, in here I just have some weights and hooks. In here I have some more Yamamoto's and hooks too. Circle hooks work really good. And like I said, when you're connecting that leader, just use these barrel swivels. And these ones with like the colored tip, especially blue and like yellow, those really get the fish hyped. Black actually works really well, so don't be afraid to use black. Right here we have another like 5-inch, I think it is, Senko. These are very good. The pumpkin colored ones are great too. So that's what we have in there. You're gonna want fishing gloves if you're handling like fish you don't really feel like holding. For toothy fish, you're gonna want these so you don't have to touch the fish and get your finger, I don't know, bit off from a fish like that. And then basically what we have here is just a big kit of Senko's. And all you gotta do is, for a wacky rig, hook it right in the middle. Basically let it sink for a little bit and twitch it. And I don't know, but it works. And sometimes the fish usually bite it on the sink, which is quite surprising, you'd think. But it does happen quite a lot. I just gotta put all these boxes back. Yeah, so all I have here is a big Bass Pro Shops bag. And it fits everything in there well. All my reels are in here. And if you're fly fishing, your poppers, your nymphs, your bugs, stuff like that in there. can stand there like that. You're gonna want sunglasses, just in case it's a sunny day. Yeah, and that'll wrap up the video for today. Thank you.